So very recently we have just installed the new block shelf, which was funded by donations, and we're very grateful for that. This is of course the centrepiece of the signal box, where we have instruments and indications which show the state of the whole railway over the controlled section. We are very grateful to British Gypsum, who are just over the way, who installed all this plasterboard and dry lining systems behind it, which of course you don't see. We've also started work on conduit above, which will carry all the domestic electricals for lighting and sockets. So now we've got the block shelf, the next task is to fit all the instruments to it. There's a lot of equipment we've been accumulating from auction, again funded by donations, and we're really hoping to have that in a state we can show off to visitors later this year. This instrument here will be used to control trains to and from Loughborough, but it will be quite a while before we see any of those. We have all the levers in storage and they will be installed as well. We've started collecting a lot of the domestic materials that a signalman needs to be comfortable and happy. So we've had an offer of an authentic period armchair, as well as a collection of enamel tin crook fittings. We've also acquired some authentic 1940s green enamel light fittings, one of which we're very pleased to say we acquired from the ditch just outside. So it's been out of use for about 50 years and it's now back hanging from the ceiling where it belongs. Going forward, as well as things inside the signal box, there are a lot of signalling fittings to install outside on the ground. That includes modifications to track work, both at the Bunny Lane end and near Gotham Road, as well as installing round about 20 location cases to house power supplies and relays. It's starting to look like a signal box, and especially it's starting to be somewhere you have equipment rather than just a building.